Putting on your BetterGuard is quick and easy, but there are a few things to remember to ensure it works properly. First, the BetterGuard is meant to be worn over socks. High socks are always best. Before putting on the brace, make sure the ankle stabilizing piston is working properly. If you tug on each side, you should feel it lock up. It feels like it's working. If it's not working properly, please reach out to our customer service team at info@betterguards.com. Next, undo the Velcro on both straps, pull the inner strap all the way out so it's easier to pull on. The piston should be on the outside of the foot. This is a right brace, so I'm putting it on the right side. Now pull it on just like a sock. This is a compression sleeve, so it should feel snug. If it's a little hard to get on, that's normal. Make sure you pull it on as high as possible until the dot on the back is on the bottom of your heel. The seam on the top is centered on the instep. Next, pull the inner strap through the eyelet, grab onto both straps, and secure both sides to the Velcro. This strap controls the tension on the piston. Make sure there is a slight tension on the piston and no slack in the strap. Don't pre-tension to the end of the piston. A few millimeters is fine. To get the perfect pre-tension, place your foot flat on the ground and scoot it back a few inches and tighten the strap until there's a slight tension on the piston. If you followed all the steps, the ankle stabilizer will be above the ankle bone, the sole will be up the heel, the seam will be on top, centered on the instep, with slight tension on the piston. If there is slack in the strap, it might be too loose. If there's too much tension on the piston, it might be too tight. Last step, put on your shoes. We recommend low top shoes and make a few movements or jog around a bit and check the pre-tension again. If you wear the brace for a longer period of time, check the pre-tension again and adjust if necessary. Unlike other braces, the BetterGuard can be adjusted without removing your shoes. Now you're ready to go. If you still have questions, the BetterCare team is here to help.